more of the sheet metal down because as you can see, the sheet metal is higher than my new plate. So I'm gonna unbolt the plate again, trim down the sheet metal a little bit more, the Dremel, and then do another test fit. So I trimmed a little bit of the carpet out right here, and with that chunk this way, the steering column right here, which comes down, will not be touching the carpet. Boot is in there nicely inside the groove. Steering rack's installed. Make sure the nuts are on top, and then the rack spacer, you can see it right there. All you got to do is modify what I showed you guys in this video. Install a new plate between the firewall and the steering column. And that is how you install a E36 or Z3 steering rack on an Airbag E30 the proper way. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.